friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to make restaurant-style mutton chukka. Everyone loves this side dish that best goes with biryanis or even with rasam rice or curd rice. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today, I've taken 1/4 kg mutton pieces, clean wash it and keep it ready. Heat a pressure cooker and add in the mutton pieces. Add half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix and pressure cook it for 6 whistles. Now pressure has settled, so let's quickly open and check. The mutton pieces are well cooked and you have very little water left. Don't discard it, we'll be using it later. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 onion finely chopped, saute well. Add 2 bunches of curry leaves, give it a nice mix. Then add the cooked mutton pieces along with the stock and mix well for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well for another 2 minutes. Now add half cup of water. Let it cook until the water reduces. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil and saute well. Roast for another 5 minutes and your delicious restaurant-style mutton chukka is now ready to serve. Serve it with some rasam rice or curd rice and enjoy it with your loved ones. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.